Okay, welcome back to IT Track. Today what I'm going to do is show you how to connect to a WebEx video conference. And I'm doing this because there are a couple events that I do in which people use WebEx to see some videos and communicate and do all sorts of cool stuff. Very similar to Skype, except it's more functional, WebEx. So you can see on the screen, it's basically an invitation to join a meeting. And if you're invited to a WebEx session, this is the exact kind of invitation you will get in your email. It just says, hey, join me in my personal room, or whatever the meeting name is. And it has a meeting number, and it also has a link to click on to go to the meeting. So if you click on the link, if you have never joined a meeting before, it will take you to this website saying, do you want to add WebEx to Chrome? In this case, I'm using Chrome. You may be using Internet Explorer or Firefox or even Safari, and it will be essentially the same kind of message. And I will say, yes, I want to add WebEx to Chrome. And it says, can I add this WebEx extension, this Cisco extension? And I'll say yes, add extension. And then it'll give me a little confirmation saying it worked, and here we are. So it'll basically just load. And hopefully I'll be able to see someone sitting at my desk. And there's my wife, so okay. Now, the big thing with this is you want to make sure you select an audio connection, or else you won't be able to hear or communicate with anybody. So call using computer is the best option, and that's what I'm going to do. You can test your speakers, which I have them set pretty loud apparently. And the microphone, if you see this volume bar moving while you're talking, you know that that's working. So I'm going to do okay. Now it's going to connect, and I'll talk to my wife. Nan, can you hear me? Okay, that means yes, I can hear you, but that's in Thai. Okay, so thank you. Is everything okay down there? Oh, and she said, okay, I can't see your face. Okay, so I'm going to start my video. Doni Hendai, now can you see me? Okay, all right, thank you. And that's it. Now, for this, I set my video on so she can see me, but depending on the conference or what you're doing, you may just be listening, so you don't need to start your camera. And most of that is going to be determined by the person running the meeting. They will either let you broadcast your video or not, or they will mute you. The other cool thing you can do with WebEx is there's a chat function. And this also is kind of designated, the rights of which are designated by the host of the meeting. So you can send a message to everybody. You can say, hello, my name is Boyd. Or they can specify you can only talk to a certain person. You can ask questions, you can do this, you can do that. You can do a lot of cool things. This room is unlocked and all this stuff you don't need to worry about so much. That's more for the host. Yes, but you can also share screen if your moderator or host allows you to do that. So you can show like a PowerPoint presentation or a video or whatever. But that's more advanced functionality. I just wanted to get you an idea of how to connect because some people have had difficulty doing this. So that's about it. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment and we can figure it out. Okay, thank you and see you next time.